10 foods that help children brain development. A child brain needs the right nutrients to support learning, to support memory, to support concentration, and overall development. In this video, I'm going to list 10 foods that enhances children's brain development. My name remains Pharm.Ezekiel. Please, if you're watching me on YouTube, ensure that you subscribe. Support me. If you're watching me on TikTok, you're watching me on Instagram, Facebook, do where to follow. Let's now dive into the main topic for today. 10 foods that support children's brain development. Number 1 on the list is eggs. Eggs, they contain a nutrient called choline. Choline is rich that helps in memory, learning, and brain development. And it also have the tendency to provide protein that helps build the muscles. That's number 1 on the list, eggs. Number 2 on the list is the one we call fatty fish. Fatty fish. Number 2 on the list on the foods that help children's brain development is one we call fatty fish. Fish such as sardines, mackerel, salmon, they contain omega-3 fatty acids. Example, DHA, that supports brain development. So this is number 2, fatty fish. Number 3 is the one we call milk and dairy products. Milk and dairy products. Milk, cheese, yogurt provides protein. It provides vitamin B12. It also provides iodine. These are very, very important for the development of your child's brain. Very, very important. Number 4 on the list is nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, groundnuts, example peanuts, sunflower seed, and pumpkin seeds. They contain healthy fats. Vitamin E, and minerals that support the brain development of your child. Number 5 on the list is green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables. Examples are vegetables like spinach, ugu, that's a fluted pumpkin, and kale, K-A-L-E, kale, are rich in vitamin K. They are rich in folate. They are rich in minerals that help, and also they are rich in antioxidants that help in the development of your child's brain. Number 6 on the list is the one we call fruits. Oranges, bananas, berries, avocado, apple, you can name them. They contain vitamins, antioxidants, natural sugars that help to fuel the brain of your child. Instead of giving your child what is called Coke, Fanta, and all that, get fruit. You can use blenders. You can use blenders to blend them into juice and give them. It helps the brain. Stop giving them Coke. All those things. It does not help them anything. Please take note. Number 7 on the list is what we call whole grains. Whole grains like oats, brown rice, whole wheat bread. Listen, whole wheat bread, not this kind of bread they're selling now. Whole wheat bread and millet. They provide steady energy to help children stay focused throughout the day. Your children is going to school and they are dull. These are the kind of food you should be giving them, not all these processed food, biscuits, and all of them. Number 8 on the list are what we call beans and legumes. Beans, lentils, and soybeans. Some people call it soya beans in Nigeria. It's soybeans. These beans and legumes, these are rich in proteins, iron, and B vitamins. B vitamins, B1, B2, B2, name them, 2, B12. They are rich in B vitamins that supports concentration and brain health and also brain development. So if you notice that your child does not concentrate and they are not focused, please watch what you give them. Their food can go a long way to improve their concentration and their brain and the development of the brain. Number 9 are what we call sweet potatoes. They are a good source of complex carbohydrates. Vitamin A, providing sustained energy for the brain. Sweet potatoes. Don't joke with that, sweet potatoes. Last but not the least, there are many of them, but these are the 10 I will be highlighting in this video. Last but not the least are what we call dark chocolate. In bracket, in moderation. Dark chocolate. You know, there are many chocolate that we have. I'm not talking about them. Look for it. There's one called dark chocolate. It's very, we have many fake now. Not this one they are selling everywhere. Please take note. If you don't know it, forget about it. Dark chocolate, in bracket, in moderation. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids. And these flavonoids, they have a way of improving blood flow to the brain. They improve blood flow into the brain of your child. When enough blood flows into the brain, it can support concentration, and your son or your daughter can be able to be focused, doing whatever he or she is doing, both in class, in any aspect of the, okay, I just listed 10 foods that help the brain of your child to develop and to become better by the day. Or meanwhile, if you have followed me in this video as I listed these 10 food, there are nutrients that I was mentioning. Just in summary, nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, iron, iodine, protein, vitamin B12, and so forth and so on. Even choline. Choline, very, very important. Balanced diets are very, very important when it comes to children. Don't train your children with all these foods that they made, all these company processed food and all of that. No, feed your children with foods that will help them grow better, that will help them think better, that will help them focus better. Children, most of them are very dull, and it can be traced to the food they eat. Till I come your way next time, I remain your humble favorite pharmacist, Ezekiel Ozumba. See you in my next video.